Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin ETFs on Fidelity. To begin, understand that Fidelity provides a straightforward way to gain exposure to Bitcoin's price movements through its Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund, known by the ticker FBTC. This exchange-traded fund allows you to invest using your existing Fidelity brokerage account or even an eligible retirement account without needing to directly own or manage the underlying cryptocurrency itself. It's a regulated and convenient option for many investors. First, you will need an active Fidelity brokerage account. If you do not have one, opening an account is a simple online process, typically taking just a few minutes. Once your account is established, the next step is to fund it. You can easily link your bank account to Fidelity and transfer money, often through an electronic funds transfer. Ensure you have sufficient funds available to cover your intended investment. With your account funded, navigate to the search bar on Fidelity's platform and type in the ticker symbol, FBTC, for the Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund. Before purchasing, take a moment to review the fund's details and prospectus to understand its objectives and risks. Then, simply place a buy order, specifying the number of shares or the dollar amount you wish to invest, just like any other stock or ETF. After purchasing, it is crucial to monitor your investment regularly. Remember that Bitcoin ETFs, like the underlying asset, can experience significant price fluctuations due to market volatility. Keep an eye on your portfolio's performance and ensure it continues to align with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Fidelity provides tools and resources to help you track your investments and stay informed about market developments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.